Hi, and welcome to our video on how to manage parts and inventory in FlexMate. First of all, I'm going to create a warehouse and some bin locations. Then I will create a new part and allocate that part to a particular bin location. Next, create an incoming stock movement, which is like a delivery, to have some in stock. Then I'll create and close a work order using some of these parts, and then I'll print a stock reorder report. So, thank you for watching. First of all, from the home screen, we go to Inventory and Warehouse. And here I will set up a new warehouse called Warehouse 4. And immediately inside that warehouse, I will create some bin locations, Warehouse 4 Bin 1, W4B1, and just one other, W4 Bin 2, and save. That's my warehouse and all its bin locations set up. Next I will go to the parts, and here I will create a new part called Fuse 1A, which is a 1 amp fuse. I can have unit of measure and unit of storage as required, but the parts subfamily is a fuse, which is part of the electrical part family. I can have part criticality and part use. But here's where I set up that part in our existing warehouse, which I know has the W4 in its bin locations, and I will set it up in W4B1, the first bin in warehouse 4. Select that, and immediately I can put in a minimum stock of 5 and a maximum stock perhaps of 10. That's my part. It's a 1 amp fuse, it's in that bin location, and here's my minimum and maximum quantities, which if you wish to have stock reorder reports, you can use. So now I click save, and that's fine. Now I'm going to create a stock movement. And in this case, once again I click the plus, select the item, and I will search for fuse. Here's fuse 1 amp, so that's the one I want, and I'm going to select that. All I need to do is receive 5 of them and say they are £1 each. I can save that item now. So now I have 5 of those in stock. Now let's go to a work order, and let's create a work order for the hotel and use one of those fuses. So I click on the hotel, the work order tab, and add the work order. Replace fuse in hotel. If I go to resources and add the fuse, this fuse has never been used in the hotel before, so it's not related to the hotel, so I have to search for it. Press return, and there's my fuse. Once I use it in this work order, it will eventually become a related part, provided I tick relate with the asset. In this quantity, of course, now I'm going to select 1. So I'm going to use 1 fuse, relate it with the hotel, and I'm immediately going to close this in one movement to say that I have already replaced the fuse and used it. So now I just save that work order. If I go back to my inventory and look at my part, which is fuse 1 amp, I can see I actually have 4 available. I'm below the minimum quantity. I've used 1. So therefore I then go to I go to reports and restock report, and here I see my fuse 1 amp, and I need to reorder 6 to bring it back up to the maximum quantity. So hopefully that's what you need. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.